Hello, so we reached the Volcano Turrialba. The volcano is somewhere that way up high. Well, we're probably gonna see it early morning. You can hear some thunder, but you can also hear it a little bit. Anyway, we got to this place. We didn't bought any food, so we don't have food. We just have some leftovers from today, some cookies, some beer. That's not bad. There's nowhere to buy anything in here, and we don't have enough gas actually to start wandering around, because the closest gas station is like almost 60 miles away, so that's too much. Anyway, we'll shoot tomorrow some video in the morning and we'll show you how the volcano look like when it's smoking. Okay, cheers, enjoy it.